Hello dear children, welcome to maths class. Today you all are going to study about subtraction.
Now let us discuss the second mathematical operation, that is subtraction. The common terms used in subtraction are minuend. The larger number from which other number is subtracted is called minuend. Subtrahend. The number subtracted from the larger number is called subtrahend. Difference. The result of subtraction is called difference. For example here, 2 crore 45 lakh 89,706 is the bigger number and is known as minuend. 1 crore 77 lakh 98,043 has to be subtracted and is the smaller number and known as subtrahend. When we will subtract these two numbers, the result is 67 lakh 91,663 and this result is known as difference. See the properties of subtraction. When we subtract 1 from a whole number, we get its predecessor. For example, 6 crore 54 lakh 73,893 minus 1 gives 6 crore 54 lakh 73,892. When we subtract 0 from a whole number, we get the number itself as 2 crore 56 lakh 48,701 minus 0 gives again 2 crore 56 lakh 48,701 only. Children, when we arrange the numbers in vertical column for subtraction, the minuend, that is the larger number, is arranged first. Below it, we write the subtrahend, that is the smaller number and which has to be subtracted. And after subtraction, we get the difference of two numbers. Now let us see if any one term is missing, how to calculate it. If we have to find difference, subtract subtrahend from minuend. That is, difference is equal to minuend minus subtrahend. But if subtrahend is missing, we know the minuend and difference. Then subtract difference from minuend. That is, subtrahend is equal to minuend minus difference. If minuend is not given and we know subtrahend and difference, to calculate minuend, add subtrahend and difference. That is, minuend is equal to difference plus subtrahend. Again children, we have already learnt the subtraction of two numbers by arranging them in vertical column. Let us practice it with large numbers. Step 1. We arrange the given numbers in columns as minuend first and below it subtrahend. Ones digit under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds and so on. Step 2. Starting from ones place, we subtract the digits in each column taking borrow whenever the minuend is smaller than the subtrahend. We continue this process till we subtract the digits in all the columns. For example, the question given is 3 crore 50 lakh 74,690 has to be subtracted from 6 crore 64 lakh 80,970. Here children, I would like to tell you one important thing, that if the term from is used, then the second number is always larger number, and while arranging in vertical column, it will be arranged first. And if minus sign is used, for example 69 minus 25, then first number is always bigger and will be arranged first. So while reading the question, see whether minus sign is used or from word is used. In our question, from word is used. That means the second number is the larger number and will be arranged first. After arranging the numbers in columns, let us start subtracting from ones place. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Now at tens place, 7 minus 9 is not possible. So we will borrow from hundreds place, and now it is 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. At hundreds place, the number left is 8. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. At thousand place, again 0 minus 4 is not possible. So we will borrow from 10,000 now. The number at thousand place will become 10, and 10 minus 4 is 6. At 10,000 place, the number left is 7. So 7 minus 7 is 0. At lakh place, 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 10 lakh place, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. And at last, at crore place, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, the difference is obtained 3 crore 14 lakh 6,280.
See dear students, now take out page number 62. Let's solve exercise 7, subtract. First main we are going to solve, dear children, okay? I am going to show you in the book. Look here, dear children, I have already written here. Okay, exercise 7, first main subtract. See dear children, the number is given 24780 21938. So the number which we are going to write first, it's called minute. Okay, what it is called? Minute. And what the number we are going to subtract, that is called subtrahend. What it is called? Subtrahend. And the answer is called difference. Okay, so the answer is called difference. See now, according to the place value, let's start with the ones place. Okay, always you need to start with the ones place. In 0, can you minus 8, dear children? No. So what we should do? Yes, we should borrow here 1, isn't it? So this will become 10, isn't it, dear children? Yes. In 10, if you subtract 8, how much remains? Yes, 2. What is the difference? 2. Now, how much is remaining here? 7 is remaining, isn't it? In 7, if you subtract 3, how much is remaining there? Yes, 4, isn't it? Yes. Now, in 7, can you minus 9, dear children? No. So, what you should do? Borrow 1 from the left hand side, okay? So, 1 we will borrow here. This will become 17, okay? How much it becomes? 17. In 17, if you subtract 9, how much is remaining, dear children? Yes, it's 8. How much is remaining? 8 is remaining. Here, 1 we have borrowed here, isn't it? So, how much is remaining here? Yes, you are right. 3 is remaining. In 3, if you minus 1, how much is remaining there? Yes, 2. In 2, if you subtract 2, how much is remaining? Nothing, isn't it? So, write 0. So, this is the difference, children. What is this? Difference. This is minute. So, this number is called minute. This number is called subtrahend. And this is difference. Got it now, dear children? Okay. The second one we will do now. Okay. So, from the ones place. In 0, can you minus 4, dear children? No. What you should do? Yes, you should borrow here. So, this will become 10, isn't it? Yes. So, 10 minus 4, how much? Yes. So, 6 is remaining, isn't it? Now, how much is remaining here? 6. In 6, if you minus 1, how much you get? Yes, 5, isn't it? Yes. Now, Ones place we have subtract. So then tens place. Then hundreds place. Okay. So in hundreds place 8 minus 4. Yes, 4. Now in thousands place in 2 can you minus 9 dear children? No. Why? Because this is the small number, isn't it? So minute number is small number. So in 2 you cannot minus. So what you should do? Borrow 1 year and this you write it as 12. Okay. 12 minus 9. How much do you get here? 3. Okay. How much is remaining here dear children? 8. In 8 if you minus 1, how much remains there? 7. So what this number is called? This number is called as difference. Okay. So now 73,456 is the difference. Okay. Now next third one. Let us write third one dear children. See dear children now third one. See ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So lakhs. Okay. Start from the ones place. In 1 if you subtract 9. No, you cannot subtract, isn't it? So why? Because this is a small number and this is a large number, isn't it? So now what you should do? Borrow 1 from here. But here there is 0, isn't it? Here there is 0. So what you should do? Yes, you should borrow from the next number. So here 8 is there, no? Borrow 1 here. This will become 10. Okay. Again borrow 1 from here. So this will become 11. How much it becomes? 11. Okay. In 11 if you minus 9. In 11 if you minus 9 how much do you get? Yes, 2 you get. How much? 2. Here how much remains dear children? 9, isn't it? So in 9 if you subtract 8 you will get 1. In hundreds place how much is remaining? 7 is remaining, isn't it? Because 1 we have taken here. Then later on we have borrowed here, isn't it? So how much is remaining? 7. In 7 can you minus 9? No. So what you should do? Borrow from the next number, isn't it? So how much this will become? 17. Okay. So 17 minus 9 how much dear children? 17 minus 9, 8, isn't it? So you will get 8. Now how much remains here? 3 remaining. Okay. In 3 can you minus 6? No. So what you should do? What you should do? Yes, you should borrow 1 from here. So this will become 13. 13 minus 6 how much dear children? 13 minus 6? 7. Okay, 7. Here how much remains? 8. 8 minus 8? 0. Then 3 minus 2? 1. So what is the difference dear children? How much you got the answer? Answer is called as difference. Okay. So let's see what is the number? Units, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So it's 1,07,812. Okay. So this is the difference we got. Understood now how to do? Okay, do it properly dear children. Don't get confused. Okay, next fourth one. 5 minus 0. 5. Isn't it? Yes. Next, in 4 can you minus 9? No. So what you should do? You should borrow 1 from here. But here is 0 dear children. What you should do? Yes, the next number. So first we will borrow 1 from here to here. This will become 10. Okay. So from here 10 you should take here. This will become 14. Okay. 14 minus 9 how much? 14 minus 9? 5, isn't it? Yes. 5. Now how much is remaining here? 9 is remaining. 9 minus 8? 1. Isn't it? Now how much is remaining here? 4. 4 you cannot minus 5. So what you should do? borrow 1 from here. So this will become 14. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 how much? 9. Okay. Next how much is remaining here? 2 is remaining. In 2 can you minus 8? No. So what you should do? Borrow 1 from here. This will become 12. 12 minus 8 how much dear children? 4. Now how much is remaining here? 6. 6 minus 6? 0. So what will be the answer? 49,155. This is the difference you got. Okay. So did you understand how to do it? Okay. Next second main we will do. See dear children. Now second main, arrange in columns and subtract. Okay. First one, 9,76,481 minus subtract, okay, 92,399. So we need to arrange those in columns and subtract. Okay dear children, let's do in the book. See dear children, I have written here, arrange the columns and subtract. Arrange in columns and subtract. 9,76,481 minus 92,399. So dear children, I have written like this. Okay. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay. So now see here, there are 6 digits in the manion. Okay. So 6 digits are there in a manion, and subtrahend only 5 digits are there. So according to the numbers, digits, you need to write the numbers in the place value dear children. Okay. Okay. So don't start writing from here. This the subtrahend you should not write from here dear children, because you need to start with the ones place. Okay. Otherwise, if you start from here, the sum will become wrong. Okay. So that's why always whenever you are going to write the second numbers, that is these numbers are called subtrahend. So when you are writing the subtrahend, always start with the ones place. Okay. So like this you should write. Okay. Now let's subtract dear children. Okay, in 1 can you subtract 9? In 1 can you minus 9 dear children? No. So what you should do? You should borrow from the another number. So 8 is there. From here we will borrow 1. Okay, so this will become 11. Okay, 11 minus 9 how much dear children? 11 minus 9. So remaining is 2, isn't it? Yes. So in 11 if you subtract 9 you will get 2. How much is remaining here? 7 is remaining, isn't it? In 7, can you subtract 9 dear children? No. So what you should do? You should borrow 1 from here. So this will become 17. Okay. 17 minus 9 how much? Yes, it's 8. How much? 8. So now how much is remaining here in hundreds place? Yes, 3 is remaining. Okay. In 3, if you subtract 3, how much remains? Nothing. So write 0 there. Here in 1000 place, 6 minus 2. How much you will get? Yes, 4. Okay. Now in 7, can you minus 9? No. What you should do? Borrow 1 here. So this will become 17. 17 minus 9 how much? 8. So how much is remaining here? 8 is remaining. So this 8 directly will come down. So what will be the difference dear children? So answer is called difference, isn't it? So what is the difference? 8,84,082. Okay. 8,84,082 is the difference we got from this question. Okay. Now second one, let us do second one dear children. See dear children, I have written here 86,345 minus 9,555. So let's arrange the numbers. Okay. So now 86. So start from here. 86,000 345 minus, okay, start from the ones place. So 5, 5, 5, 9. So 9555. We need to subtract. Subtrahend, that is called subtrahend. This is called minuend. Okay. So now dear children, so let's write ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So okay. So now I have written the place value of these numbers. Okay. Let's subtract now. Okay. 5 minus 5, how much? 0. Now in 4 can you minus 5 dear children? So in tens place 4 is given, isn't it? So in 4 can you minus 5? No. What you should do? Borrow. So if you borrow 1 from here, this will become 14. Okay. 14 minus 5 how much dear children? Yes. So 9. How much you'll get? 9. Isn't it? Do you get 9 dear children? Yes. So now how much is remaining here? 2 is remaining. In 2 can you minus 5? No. What you should do? Borrow 1 from here. So this will become 12. 12 minus 5 how much dear children? 12 minus 5? Yes. Tell me fast. Yes, 7. How much you'll get? 7. Now how much is remaining here in the 10,000 place? How much is remaining? Yes, 5 is remaining. In 5 can you minus 9? No. What you should do? Borrow from 8. This will become 15. 15 minus 9, how much? 15 minus 9, how much dear children? Yes. Yes, how much? 6. Now how much is remaining here? 7. So no numbers here, isn't it? So subtrahend no numbers. So directly write 7 here. So what will be the answer? What will be the difference? 76,790 is the difference we got from these questions. Okay. Next, third one. See dear children, third one. First, we will write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay. Now, let's write the digits here. Now, 38,680 minus, start from ones place dear children, subtrahend 9999. That is 9,999. Okay. So let's subtract dear children. Yeah. Okay. In ones place 0 minus 9 how much? You cannot minus in the 0. So borrow 1 from here. This will become 10. Okay. 10 minus 9 how much dear children? 1 you will get. Isn't it? Yes. So how much is remaining here? 7 is remaining. Isn't it? In 7 can you minus 9 dear children? See in tens place. In 7 can you minus 9? No. So what you should do? Borrow from 6 1 year. So this will become 17. 17 minus 9 how much? Yes dear children. 17 minus 9? Yes. 8. 8 is remaining. Isn't it? So now how much is remaining here? 5 is remaining. In 5 can you subtract 9? No. In hundreds place you see 5 minus 9 can you do? No. So what you should do? Borrow from 8 1. This will become 15. 15 minus 9 how much dear children? 15 minus 9? 6 is remaining. Isn't it? Yes, 6 is remaining. So here how much is remaining? 7 is remaining. In 1000 place. Okay. In 1000 place 7 is remaining. So 7 can you minus 9? In 7 can you minus 9? No. What you should do? Borrow from 3 1 year. So this will become 17. 17 minus 9 how much dear children? 8. Here how much is remaining? 2 is remaining. Isn't it? So 2 nothing number is not there. So what you should do? Directly write 2. So what will be the answer, dear children? 28,681. So this will be the difference. Okay? Understood, no? Okay. Next, fourth one we will do, children. Okay? Dear children, we are going to do fourth one. Okay? Let's write the place value ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay? So let's write the numbers, digits in the column. So 44,398 minus, so this one we will start from the ones place, last digit from here. Okay, 7, 3, 4, 8, 3. Okay, so equal numbers are there. Okay, now let's subtract, dear children. Minus. Okay, in 8 can you minus 7? Yes. How much is remaining? 1 will remain, isn't it? Yes. In 9, if you minus 3, how much you will get? 6 you will get. Now in 3 can you minus 4, dear children, in hundreds place? See there in hundreds place 3 and 4 is they have given. In 3 can you minus 4? No. What you should do? Borrow 1 year. So this will become 13. 13 minus 4 how much? Yes, 9. Isn't it? 9 you will get. How much is remaining here? 3 is remaining. In 3 can you minus 8? No. What you should do? Borrow 1 from here. This will become 13. 13 minus 8 how much? Yes, 5 we will get. How much? 5. See? Yes, correct. Now how much is remaining here? 3 is remaining. In 3, if you subtract 3, how much remains here? 0. So what will be the difference, dear children? 5,961. Okay? 5,961 will be the difference. Okay? See, dear children, in second main, till 4 I have done. 5th and 6th you do for homework. Okay? 5th and 6th you do for homework. Okay?